How to get Japanese display name on Roblox in 2024. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to get Japanese display name on your Roblox username in 2024. So without further ado, let us begin. So it's really quite simple on how to add Japanese text to your username in Roblox. So what you want to do first is just go to your settings in Roblox. So just click on this gear icon right here and then just go to settings. After that, you'll be redirected here in your settings in account info. So what you want to do from here is just go to your display name. Then after that, what you want to do is just click on this pencil icon right here to edit your display name. So just click on that, and then what you want to do is just go to Google right here and then just search up for a Google Translate from English to Japanese. And then after that, what you want to do is you just input the words that you want translated into Japanese. So as an example, I'll just type in hello, and then what you want to do is just copy the Japanese text, copy it, and then just paste it here in your display name. So there you go. So as you can see, I can now save it. But one thing you can't do is add English text with your Japanese name. So if I add like English letters like hello, as you can see, it says right there, display name contains unsupported characters. So what you really need to do is only have Japanese text in your display name so that it will work. And then after that, just click on save and then you're done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get Japanese display name on Roblox in 2024. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That's all.